Okay, so in the first video on triangles and forces, we looked at the first method of doing this via the cosine rule. This will be the second method. Remember, the explanation for this question is on the previous video about what it actually is. Okay, so in order to solve this problem a second way, we still need to look at it from the point of view as total force downwards is going to be equal to the sum of the total vertical vectors of this one and this one. So the second way of doing this is by splitting this and looking at each of these forces individually. So if we look at this here, we can say, okay, we've got a triangle over here that's got 25 degrees, and we've got, this is 110 newtons. And, well, pretty much there we've got everything we need, because what can I do with this? That's the hypotenuse, that's the adjacent, that's the opposite. So which part of trigonometry am I going to use? So Katoa, I'm going to use sine. So I'm going to use sine theta equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. In this case, we're going to say sine theta times by h is going to be equal to the opposite. So I can plumb some numbers into that one then. I'm going to do that above. So sine 25 times by 110 equals 46.5 pretty much. Okay, next stage. We've done what the vertical component of this one is. We need to now do the vertical component of the other side. So we do the same thing again. Green. So we've got our main vector there, which is 152. We've got that side there. Just draw the triangle correctly. We've got an angle of 49 degrees. And we do exactly the same thing again. We can do sine of 49 this time, times by 152 is going to equal 114. .7 newtons. So we've got two values there, and hopefully many of you will realise what to do with those next. All you do is you add them together, and if we add those two values together as accurately as possible, we get our final answer of 161 again, overall, and let's just write that down, what I've done there. So 46.5 plus the 114.7 is equal to 161 newtons. And believe it or not, you can see there it's exactly the same answer we got in the last video, so that is the second method. And you will decide which you prefer. Now, both of these methods are viable. Sometimes they can be more complex, but you need to obviously get some practice of seeing them. We'll do plenty in class, and hopefully build up your confidence with tackling these problems, because they can come in all shapes and sizes. Always remember that there is a third option that you should have a go at once or twice, maybe even stick to it if it's preferred method, and that is a scale drawing. As you can already tell from all my videos, I'm not a good drawer, so I won't do that one for you here, but we will have talked about it in class, so you can have a go at scale drawing of these triangles in your own time. Okay. That's it for this video. Like I said, there are examples of vector resolution on the channel, and do have a look at them. Make sure you have plenty of notes on this topic, and find as many examples as you can.